Hey Siri.
Go ahead.
I'm bored.
How about a joke? Say, make me laugh.
Make me laugh. Hey y'all, come look at this.
Tell you a joke about potassium? K.
Mad.
This one is one of us.
Continue.
Make me laugh.
Kid joke alert. What do you call a nose with no body? Nobody knows.
Jesus is Lord. You're mad.
Continue.
Okay. Make me laugh.
A man walks into a bar carrying a large chunk of concrete and says, "Give me a drink and one for the road."
No. If you didn't get that one, then you are a woman. You give me a drink and one for the road. One for the road. Concrete, the road. Oh, limula likaba.
Continue.
Make me laugh.
How do you put a baby astronaut to sleep? You rock him. Continue.
Make me laugh.
Why are stars bad at staring contests? Because they're always blinking.
Come on, man.
Mado.
Continue.
Make me laugh.
My mom was a radiologist. She met my dad when he came in one day for an X-ray. I wonder what she saw in him.
Oh my god, no. You need deep reasoning for all these kind of jokes. No. Make me laugh.
A sloth walks into a bar, waves to get the bartender's attention, and says, "I'll have a soda water." The bartender says, "Hey, why the long pause?"
Hey, bro, come on now, dog.
Make use of your brain.
Yeah! Why the long pause? Why the long pause? Why the long pause? Oh my, Siri. Make me laugh.
A clown held the door for me today. That was a nice gesture.
Oh my god.
No, that was a nice gesture. A nice gesture. No. You some people won't understand.
Yes.
Continue.
Make me laugh.
What do Alexander the Great, Winnie the Pooh, and Chance the Rapper have in common? Same middle name.
No.
Continue.
Make me laugh.
My favorite time of day is 6:30. Hands down.
We don't get that one. 6:30. Hands down. Some people can never get it. Never. Not in this world.
Continue.
Make me laugh.
My friend is obsessed with taking selfies in the shower, but they always turn out blurry. He has self-esteem issues.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I'm so kind.
Okay. This is interesting. Make me laugh.
This one's for the kids. What do cats like to eat for breakfast? Rice Krispies.
Hey, just show my wish.
Calm down. Make me laugh.
I'm thinking of starting a social media network for chickens. But not as my full-time job, just as a way to make ends meet.